In this lesson, we'll use eager loading to reduce database calls. Eager loading is the mechanism for loading the associated records of the objects returned by model find, using as few queries as possible. Active Record lets you specify in advance all the associations that are going to be loaded by using the includes method. With includes, Active Record is able to load all of the specified associations using the minimum possible number of database queries. Here's an example of a problematic query. We are getting all clients from the database and iterating through them. For each client, we are outputting the postcode of that client's associated address. We didn't query addresses though, we queried clients. So each time we do this, we'll do another query to retrieve the address. So if we have 100 clients, we'll do one query to get all 100 clients, and then 100 more queries to get each individual client's address. This is known as an n+1 query because we will end up querying n times, where n is the amount of records plus the initial one query. We can solve this using includes to grab all the client addresses ahead of time instead of executing a query for each one. This code will only execute 2 queries. Using includes to eager load associated data drastically reduces the database interactions and would lead to a performance benefit on large data sets. Generally, if you are querying for a list of objects and then accessing an associated object, you will want to use includes to eager load the association. This next part you'll do on your own. Modify this problematic code to increase the performance of the queries.